Enter the territory and spread northwest. Enter the territory and spread northwest. Enter the territory and spread northwest. Being on one side.
There is a party in the north.
How many? A lot or not that many?
Oh, like 8.
Like
I can hold the north.
Okay, perfect.
I'll hold the north.
Ignore the mage, guys. It's really low territory. We're gonna be aggressive here. Come to Slay. Come to Slay. Come to my ping. Come to my ping.
Guys, get on Slayer and stop chasing the 8 guys.
Stay in my ping, guys. Stay with me. Stick to me like glue. Stick to me like glue. We're gonna go for a push here. We're gonna bomb northeast of the wall here, guys. Northeast of the wall. East on Slay in 5 seconds. East on Slay at 5. East of the wall. 4. Wait for the grails. Wait for the grails. Wait for the grails. We push east of the wall in 5. East of the wall. 4. 3, 2, 1. East of the wall. Pop a defensive hit. East of the wall. Pop a defensive hit. East of the wall. 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 East of the wall, boys. Okay, we got. I can tell Ram's gonna go east side. This is two stupid staying on the same side. Guys, come out of the territory. Come out of the territory west. Get defense down. They're just gonna push your roller, disengaging. Heals on these boys. Help your teammates out. Help your teammates out. Help your teammates out. Help your teammates on these. Help your teammates on these. Help your teammates on these. And disengage. 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 Come out. Tell Rams I'm gonna go east. Help your guys in the terry. Help crack in the terry. Help your guys over the wall. 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 Tell Rams I'm gonna go east. Come south, guys. Come south. Come south. We can't stay on the same sides. It's actually stupid.
Guys, don't go too close to the terry. You don't need to be close to the terry if you're fucking clothy.
Stay to me. Did you guys just die there? Stay to me. Stay
No,
with
just
me.
being preemptive.
Come south more, boys. You see where I'm traveling? You see where I'm traveling? South of the terry? Stay with me. Guys, stop being so close to the wall. Oh my fucking titties. Tell Rams I'm gonna go east. We have to play more. Oh, the guy inside us. What the fuck is that guy doing? Kill the guy inside us. Kill this guy inside us from Ventiossi. Be spread, boys. Be spread. Come northeast here. I'm going in the Hellgate.
small bomb on the south.
Come on with you.
Just watch the south, kill the guys north of us, kill the guys north of us, kill those guys north, kill those guys north. Now enter the territory, we're gonna kill the guards here. Kill the guards here on the east, kill the guards here on the east. Nemesis is gonna bomb us, Nemesis is gonna bomb us, Nemesis is gonna bomb us. Stop them, guys. Counter Nemesis in 3. Look, west on Nemesis. 2. West on Nemesis, west on Nemesis. Everyone pop boots in it, west on Nemesis. West on Nemesis, west on Nemesis, west on Nemesis. All damage west, 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 all damage west. All damage west, and you're backing out east, back up east, back up east, back up east, back up east. Use numbers on the guards, kill the guards, kill the guards. The guards are gonna kill us here. And heals on the west, get your guys out, get your guys out. Kill the guards, guys, kill the guards, kill the guards. Take the space and kill the guards, take the space. They have good demon armor, so pay attention to that. Be spread here, boys. These big fights are very laggy, and I'm trying my very best to not make it as laggy, so I want to be separated from ramps. The less people on the same screen, the less lag there is. So I need to leave from ramps. Kill the guards. Everyone is over here. If you died, you could be.
They just popped a bunch of 9 helmets.
They did?
You get a couple of
They just did.
couple of other claws coming from the southeast.
It looks like they're gonna come for a bomb here too.
No, they're
How are
not.
the guards? How are the guards, guys? How are the guards?
Bridled Furies in the south.
I was paying
Heals
attention.
on Tulurko.